called the terminal block. Okay. Actually, under the Takex concern, there are 4 group companies that we represent: Takenaka Electronics, Takenaka Engineering, Takenaka Optronics. Okay, Optronics here, I think it's okay. And Takenaka System. We are representing 4 of their companies in the whole of South Asia. Okay. Because we are representing Takenaka concern, which only photo sensor, when we're talking about factory automation, we cannot run away with a small motor. But unfortunately, we don't sell Japanese motor. This Bodin Electric itself is more than 100 years of history, and we represent them in the whole Asia Pacific. Okay, it's high-end fashionable motor. Price is 2 to 3 times against Oriental. Okay, on the special application, they are very strong in USA on the special application, especially for the solar panel. Okay, the DC motor. Visor also from USA. They are overlapping with Bodin, but they are on low quality. So when Bodin concerned, when people complain the price, we normally recommend Visor. Okay. Minari is the control cards.
Yeah.
Control cards. Block itself is very special, whereby I will not recommend, because we will sell directly, we don't sell through agent.
Oh.
Okay. The reason is very simple. The motor is used in the aerospace and fighter plane. And when we sell this product concern, we need to have a permit from the US government. So we sell directly, because we need to submit the end user statement. So this is the same thing. This is an AC motor, but this brand itself, pure replacement. We only sell for oil and gas. We only got 1 customer in Vietnam. Only 1 customer, not us. For the water treatment plant, we use the American brand. There's only one.
For the pump.
10 years ago, every 2-3 years they buy 1 lot from us. Okay, Kinko HMI. This one we are not exclusive for the Vietnam market, but we can sell to Vietnam market. Okay. This one we are exclusive for the whole of South Asia. Okay, sample motor. Sensor part itself. Okay, this is I will not recommend because this one also open market. But today itself, I will concentrate on Takenaka. What we try to tell you concern, what is a product concern that along the way you will have is just by itself. No much technical support. But Takenaka itself is a product whereby we give technical support. Okay. So can we go to the Takenaka?
This is Takenaka.
Bên này là hiện của hãng Silicon.
Xuất dụng cho một ra phone hay không?
Yeah.
Okay.
Đúng rồi.
Không, mấy cái một Chinese.
Có
Can you go back to go back to the main page? Forget I tell you first. Okay. For Takenaka Electronics, although Takenaka Electronics itself is a company concern, but they have 3 main industries which are not related to one another, ironically. Okay. You have the first is Takenaka photo sensor for the electronic and semicon industry. Am I going too fast? David, you want me to pause away for them to speak today? Takenaka Electronics. Okay, the one industry we are focusing is in the electronic and semicon industry or factory automation or conveyor belts, for example, or material handling. This is one of the sectors that we have here. It is represented by this angle, okay, the amplifier, the UF series. Okay, this is the miniature UF series whereby we saw a lot. Especially in Chinese side, we also representing them. We saw a lot. Okay, so this one and the amplifier. Now the amplifier is F85RN. This is an old model. Okay, F85RN. These two is small for the semicon and electronics industry. If you are running the electronic industry concern, you will always come across these few series. Okay. Another sector is the hot metal detectors for the steel mill industry in Vietnam. This is cold metal and hot metal detectors, whereby we are the main players in Vietnam. We are actually in Vietnam for the hot metal and cold metal industry since 15 years ago. As early as 2000, we are here already. Okay. Lastly, this is the isolator or linear barrier for oil and gas. So, if you have contact with the oil and gas concern, the oil refinery plant in Vietnam, the high possibility the plant is related to Japanese engine company like TGC, then they will use this isolator. Okay. So for Takex Electronics concern, okay, they have 3 or 4 sectors on the market. Okay. But today concern our focus on the flow sensor, okay, of the thing. Okay. Today our concern focus on the flow sensor for the electronic industry. I will not go to the detail part because the details can be read over here. Okay. The main thing is the amplifier is concern that we are marketing very strongly in Vietnam. Okay. You can look at the catalogs. The common model is F85RM.
This one don't have, this catalog.
You better leave it
No,
out.
because this one is the latest one. They have not updated. Takenaka have not updated.
F85R.
F85R, now it's a single sheet. They don't have integrated in the catalog, English catalog. Even the green color new catalog don't have.
Yeah, how come
They try to give us a single sheet.
F85RM. This one we have the digital readout and something. And this model concern have both NPN and PNP output. Selection. Sorry, this is Chinese character. This is Chinese. So, sorry, where's the Chinese character? Okay, this is English one.
That's why your Chinese one, we all print ourselves one have. Takenaka one don't have.
Okay, sorry. For this catalog concern, I only bring out the. Can you copy the English? You have English copy?
Over there.
Okay, for this catalog concern, I'll bring attention to common model because the actual catalog itself is at least 1.5 inch thick. Okay, 1.5 inch thick. But this one is like digest common model whereby you can recommend to your customer on a daily basis. Okay. So anyway, this one is an old catalog. We have F80R. We replace F85RM. It's the same thing. Everything the same. Okay. Except there's one chip inside whereby they change it. So. In F71 series, we have the low cost F71CR. Amplifier. F71. Okay. CR stands for low cost. But this side no stand for your blood inside. Okay. This one we have very high stock position for normal application.
So far, your guy have experience selling a photo sensor to the electronics industry. For electronics factory, your guy has sell photo sensor before?
No.
No.
I think that's because I think for Vietnam market concern, 85% of the market is at this present moment is replacement market.
Right.
Yeah,
So,
this present moment.
Yeah.
But I perceive that 2 or 3 years down the road, there will be machine maker, then replacement, then the time
yeah.
will be a what time.
Yeah.
So I will not go too deep because I don't want to be too academic.
Yeah.
Okay. This one is amplifier concern. The amplifier itself, you have to always remember, amplifier cannot work by itself. You have to work together with the fiber optics inside. Okay, fiber optics. You do have fiber optics.
Yeah.
This is a fiber optics. So for the fiber optic concern, different fiber optic concern go to with different amplifier will give a different distance. The fiber optic concern will have different configuration head. When you use the fiber optic, whereby the space itself is very very small. For example, I want to detect the edge of this edge part. Normal fluorescent sensor will be too big, so you need to have an optic sensor this way, pointing here. Okay, and it's only fiber optic. Okay. Of course, fiber optic concern there are two things. This is F series. T stands for true beam. True beam means one's a light and one's a receiver. It's called a true beam. Which R? Okay, R here we call refractive. Refractive means you have no way to have a receiver at the other end. So it bounces back, the light bounces back. So within the fiber optic concern, there is a receiver. So the light is shoot at this end and bounce back. So it's called the R series, FR series. Okay. This FR108BC, 5BC is a common model. Behind called BC behind called back cut. Because the fiber optic itself it's come in 1 meter length, 1 meter length. But normally a lot of customers will not need to use for 1 meter length. So whichever length they need, they cut off. So BC stands for back cut. I will not go to the detail part because the same thing is a different configuration. The main thing is the different configuration against the distance to detect. And from distance to detect concern, then you choose the amplifier to work together with this fiber optic. This is a table selection. Understand? No? Any question? A quick glance of the selection over here. Okay, over here. Let's have a quick glance. This selection. Okay, and the next one you see this is a UX. Normal Japanese design is not a screw type. Okay, normally it's a bolted type. So US series concern is a screw type. For the US series, it's the same dimension. This is the same cutting format as UM series. And US series concern, okay, can replace with many area whereby you need fiber optic because they are very small size. Okay, and this one just for information. At this present moment, only Takex had this series on the world. Oh. Okay. What's different between Takex and our competitors? Okay. Generally speaking, our competitors, one thing we are very weak in, our competitors cheaper than our friend by default. Whether Omron, SunX, or PNC, or Optex, the price is cheaper than Takex generally for common application. But you are talking about special application, long distance, or you're talking about waterproof or stainless steel concern, then Takex will have the edge. Okay. certain force sensor concern you are used in a harsh environment. They need a stainless steel casing or stainless steel fiber optic. Or high temperature, whereby your temperature will range around 200 degrees for fiber optic concern. Then Takenaka will have the edge against the competitors. Another issue that we have will be the long distance, long range. Okay? Long range all the way to 20 meters. Of course, this different series concern from 1 meter, then all the way from different NP or NT concern 50 for 50 meter range. Okay. Well, NE2 itself is a common model. For the DL series concern is background suppression. Okay, background suppression means what? Background suppression means normally photosensor concern the background will affect the sensitivity, even the light itself. So if you let's say in environment concern, whereby for example this light is very shining, right? It will affect the sensitivity. So you use the DL series concern, it will not affect the background suppression type of the photosensor. Will be independent of the color and the lighting. No, DL. For DL series, ironically we saw a lot in China. China side they use a lot.
Okay, I'll stop and I will translate.
Okay, please.
Các bạn có câu hỏi gì cho đến tận bây giờ chưa? Nào, cứ mà dạng nào, training.
I think off the light.
On the line.
Off.
Nào, các bạn nào.
I think we better replace it here.
Vừa rồi ông nói về cái dòng sản phẩm của Takex hay gọi là Takex nhá, thì có ai có bất cứ câu hỏi gì không?
Cái dòng FT và dòng FR nó khác nhau ở cái gì?
FT và FR.
Đầu tiên luôn.
reflection.
What the difference between the FT and R?
F is a series, T is a true beam. True beam that means there's one light, one receiver. Okay.
If your set 1, we can give a more detailed introduction on the different type of photosensor in general. What such as true beam, what is refractive, what is retrorefractive. It's a more technical training. Maybe the one more suitable for your technical guy, and then from the technical guy must do some translation to Vietnam.
So with the true beam, we need to reflect the end.
No. With true beam means there is a transmit of light, one is a receive.
Okay.
So if something go in between, then it detect.
And reflect need to.
You will throw out a light and then come back.
Okay.
You when receive the receiver is on show signal.
Okay, đối với loại mà true beam ha, tức là có một cái gọi là transmitter và có một cái loại là receiver hai bên.
You want me to
Okay,
draw for you?
Rồi cái ở gần đây ha. Giống như cái mà bọn em đang sử dụng của những cái như banner hoặc là xích hoặc là gì đó. Ví dụ cái phát ra là transmitter và nó phát ra ánh sáng. Bên này là cái là receiver. Thì khi mà thằng này nó truyền tín hiệu sang bên đây, thằng này nhận được á, thì ở giữa không có cái gì. Nhưng mà nếu như có cái gì đó, vật gì đó chắn ở đây thì thằng này không nhận được, nó phát hiện là có vật. Giống như bây giờ đơn cử nhá, trên cái dây chuyền về sản xuất về thép đi chẳng hạn, thì cái cây thép này nó luôn đi từ trong cái lò ra, hoặc là trên cái băng tải dây chuyền, ví dụ như bia, sản xuất bia, như các trái bia nó chạy đến một cái băng tải dây chuyền á, hoặc là đóng gói bao bì, bao xi măng hoặc gì đó cứ chạy đến dây chuyền, giờ nó cần đếm hay là cần phát hiện ra có cái vật gì đi qua đó, nó lắp ở đây một cái transmitter, một cái đây là receiver, thì luôn phát như thế này. Được chưa? Nếu như không có vật thì nó không phát hiện ra cái gì cả, nhưng có một cái vật đi qua đây cái chẳng hạn, nó biết là cái vật này một, nếu như xét trên hành trình đã đến đây rồi, hoặc hai nữa là nếu như nó trong cái công nghệ mà nó đếm chẳng hạn, nó đếm sản phẩm chẳng hạn, cứ một lần đi qua như này thì nó mất cái ánh sáng, một lần nó nhận được tín hiệu thì nó đến một lần nó phát hiện ra được chai bia hoặc là cái gì đó, hoặc là trong dây chuyền mà cần nó cần khống chế cái khoảng cách, cái quãng đường nó đi được đến đâu thì nó lắp những cái vị trí đó. Yeah.
Yeah, David, may I add something?
Yeah.
Okay, let's know if they want to detect something move very fast. True beam is the best.
Okay. Just very simple. Turn the torchlight. Okay. Torchlight. I shine you. This is a light. Okay, I shine you. The eyes receive. So this is a light. This is a receiver. Simple as that.
Được chưa? Transmitter and receiver.
So anything blocked is, for example, I block the thing. You cannot see the light. Okay. I cannot see the light concern. You will send a signal. I cannot see a light. What you want to do with signal? That of course is up to the PLC. Simple as that. So reflective fight is this way. You see.